أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول
تأمل الأمثلة ثم اقرأ الكلمات الآتية واكتبها مع ضبط أواخرها. Observe the examples, then read the following words and write with the consideration for their ends. See, Ustadun, a professor, a teacher. Ya Ustadu, O professor, O teacher. Hamidun, Hamidun, Hamid, Ya Hamidu. So when Ya precedes, it's a vocative particle to call somebody. Oh, in English we use Ya Ustad, like that in Arabic we use Ya. The same way Ya Hamidu, O Hamid. Muhammadun, Ya Muhammadu, O Muhammad. So Ustadun, Ya Ustadu. See, if Ya precedes the word after Ya, the ism after Ya will lose its tanween. Ya Ustadu, Ya Hamidu, Ya Muhammad, O Muhammad. Now, if you want to call the noun which has mudaf ilayhi, that is which has mudaf ilayhi, a noun which has mudaf ilayhi, if its construction is of mudaf ilayhi, if you call that name Ya Abdullahi, if you call Abdullah, it is mudaf ilayhi. So in such cases it will lose its dhamma, and it will become Ya Abdullahi, it will become fatha. That is, the position will be nasab. Ukhtu Hamidin, O sister of Hamid. Ya Ukhta Hamidin, O sister of Hamid. تأمل الأمثلة ثم اقرأ الكلمات الآتية واكتبها مع ضبط أواخرها. See, Ya Ali, you should not say Ya Ali, wrong. It should be Ya Aliyu. Ya Aliyu, tanween will go if it is separate. Ya Aliyu. Ya Abbasu, Ya Rajulu, O man. Ya Bintu, Ya Shaykhu, O Shaykh. Ya Maryamu, O Maryam. Ya Abdullah, it's mudaf ilayhi. When you are calling mudaf ilayhi, then it will become maftuh because of its position as mansub. Ya Abdullahi, you should not call Ya Abdullah, no. Ya Abdullahi. Ya Binta Khalidin, O Khalid's daughter. Ya Saika Sayarati, O car driver, Sayaqa Sayara. Ya Umma Saad, O mother of Saad. Ya Abdurrahman, O Abdurrahman. Ya Rabbal Kaaba, O Lord of Kaaba. Ya Rabbal Kaaba. Ya Rabbal Alamin, we say, no, like that. Ya Imam al Masjidi, O Imam of Masjid. Ya Ibn Abbasin, actually, but when you read, you have to read like this. Yabna Abbas. You will say Yabna Abbas. Yabna Abbas. You have to just join. Abu Bakrin. Ya Abu Bakrin. So in the case of Abu, Ahu, the waw will become alif. Ya Abu Bakrin. Because of mansub position, waw will become alif. Now, the most important grammatical rule of this lesson is this one, that is Jamul Muannas Salim. What is Jamul Muannas Salim? So you should know regular feminine plural. Here, sayyara. What is the plural of sayyara? You just add alif ta. Just add alif ta. Sayyaratun. 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 So here in this case, sayyaratun, sayyaratun, if it is marfu. In the case of mansub, see, ra'aytu sayyaratan. I saw a car. Ra'aytu sayyaratin. So the rule is, if it is jamul muannas salim, regular feminine plural, then you should put kasra in the place of nasab, in the position of nasab. So ra'aytu sayyaratin. Ra'aytu sayyaratin. So it is maksur, but it is mansub. That is, the position is of nasab, but the symbol represented to represent jamu muannas salim, jamul muannas salim, is kasra. It is not its actual symbol, it is a secondary symbol. Salatil mudiratu talibata. The headmistress asked the student. Salatil mudiratu talibata. Salatil mudiratu talibati. Because jamul muannas salim, regular feminine plural. In the case of regular feminine plural, in the position of nasab, the symbol will be kasra instead of fataha. Salatil mudiratu talibati. For singular, see, it is only fatha. Qara'atul majallata. I read the magazine. Qara'atul majallati. I read the magazines. خلق الله الشمس والقمر والنجوم والبحار والأرض والسماوات. See, Allah created الشمس مفعول به. So it is mansub, represented by fatha. والقمر represented by fatha. والنجوم represented by fatha. والبحار represented by fatha. والأرض represented by fatha. والسماوات. See, all the words are represented by fataha as they are maful bihi, but asamawat is also maful bihi. Instead of fataha, it will have kasra, being jamul muannas salim, regular feminine plural. خلق الله الشمس والقمر والنجوم والبحار والأرض والسماوات. سأل الأب الأبناء والبنات. Here the father asked the sons and the daughters. Here al-abna wal-banati. It is because jamul muannas salim, regular feminine plural. These are all exception rules. كتبت هذه الكلمات. كتبت هذه الكلمات. I wrote these words. كتبت هذه الكلمات. I wrote these words. Here الكلمات. If it is singular, كتبت هذه الكلمة. Feminine plural, كتبت هذه الكلمة. رأيت الأطباء والطبيبة. I saw the doctors and lady doctors. غسل الولد السيارة. The boy washed the car. غسل الولد السيارة. The boy washed the car. Is there any change? No. غسل الولد السيارة, it is singular. Okay. So if it is plural, what will happen? Next. غسل الولد السيارة. Regular feminine plural in the place of fataha it will have kesra in the position of mansub nasab. Akhatta riyalati ya bunayya. Oh my son, did you take the reals? Sala Bilalun Zumala'ahu. Bilal asked his classmates. It's all masculine, so no problem. If it is Zamilat, his female classmates, what will happen? See here. Salat Zainabu Zamila Tiha. Regular feminine plural. Regular feminine plural. Sound feminine plural. قرأت الكتب والصحف والمجلات. I read the books, newspapers and the magazine. See here, it's all normal. But this one, Jamul Muannas Salim, will have Kesra. رأيت إخوة حامد وأخواته. I saw brothers of Hamid and his sisters. قرأنا هذه الصفحات. صفحات. We read these pages. صفحات. صفحات. Pages.
لبيك اللهم لبيك 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 اللهم لبيك 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 لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك لبيك اللهم لبيك 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 لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا